Who else is tuning their car in a freaking Starbucks parking lot? Tell me that one. It's honestly not that cool, but whatever. It's not that cool.
Don't run away, run away. Run up on the mountain, I see down below. It's easy to lose yourself, I know.
What's going on, guys? It's Matt. Back again with another video. Today's the big day, man. Today is the big day. I'm hella excited, but kind of tired. I woke up really early for this because I do have school right now, so I'm gonna be taking the car to a local shop. I already got my quote, got my parts right here chilling. Got all my parts right here. I'm about to back up the car so I can put them in the trunk, and we're gonna head over to the shop and get these 373 gears installed. Look who just showed up. Today's the day, man. Big day. I'm excited, dude. Like my new tripod?
Wait, what the?
Look.
Oh, wait. So is that the one from inside?
No, this is a different one. My boy Randy hooked me up with this tripod. Shout out to Randy. But now I'm a fucking official vlogger, dude.
Send me, darling, you. Send me, I know you. Send me, darling, you. Send me, I know you. Send me, honest to you. Send me.
Alright guys, this is it. This is the big moment we've been waiting for. We're just dropping the car off. He said he'll try to finish today, if not tomorrow for sure. But let's hope for today, right?
True.
Here we start with that break-in period. And this is the man. That's the man. We drove what? 25 minutes? 20 minutes?
Yeah, 24 minutes.
Something like that. All the way out here in the boonies. But the guy did say for Monday, or what did I say? Today is Monday. He's pushing for today, if not tomorrow for sure. So what happened, Evan? What just happened? We just got some news.
Just got my email from MPT. About to load that shit.
We stopped at a Starbucks. We're gonna use Starbucks Wi-Fi, and we're gonna MPT tune his car because he just got his MPT tune. So right now my car's at the shop getting the gear swap done, and we're just hanging out. We're gonna tune his car in a parking lot in Starbucks. So this video just took a turn around. We're at a Starbucks. We're going to use their Wi-Fi, download a tune. There's McDonald's.
Backup plan.
That's the backup plan if Starbucks doesn't come through. So here we are in a Starbucks. We're gonna download a tune and start a Starbucks. Tell me, who else has done this in a Starbucks? This is fucking awesome. Get the fuck out of here before they say anything to us for not buying anything. We just fucking used them.
Right now.
They chase us. Hey, you gotta buy something. Are you excited, dude? Are you excited?
Oh yeah.
MPT for life, bro. We're tuning a car in a Starbucks parking lot. My car is getting 373 gears. Man, so much just going on today.
Train data, bro.
Dang. Preparing to self-destruct. Who else is tuning their car in a freaking Starbucks parking lot? Tell me that one. It's honestly not that cool, but whatever.
It's not that cool.
So Ivan's officially MPT tuned. It's official. Wow, it's so fast.
Yeah, it's so. Okay, this is scary, bro. I don't know if I should.
Just get a little juice.
Little juice.
Yeah. He scared that lady. Damn. This is like a ship. 5 is dropping me off at school while my car's getting the gears installed. But I really hope I get the car back today. Look at all these people.
Just record this.
Look at all these people.
Oh god, man.
Hey, all you people. Alright, thanks, Dad.
Thanks.
Pick me up after school, Dad. Alright guys, we were waiting around all day. As you can see, we're really losing daylight, so it looks like they're not going to be calling me today. The shop closes at 6 and it's about to be 6 soon, so I'll probably be getting the car tomorrow, it looks like. So I'll pick up, or I'll upload this video and then I'll upload the video where I get the car, and my first initial reaction will be in the next video. But if you guys enjoyed this video, drop a thumbs up. Any comments you want to leave, drop them down below. And look at my friends' cars, man. My friends all have nice cars. There's Ivan's Thunderbird. There's my friend's Juan's 5.0. Our squad is coming together, man. But if you guys enjoyed, drop a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.